Welcome, and thank you for being here today. In this video, we're stepping into a world where nature, craftsmanship, and creativity come together in a quiet yet powerful way. This journey is about solid wood bird art, vintage in spirit, handmade with care, softly curved by design, and full of character. More than just decor, these wooden birds represent the beautiful intersection of accessible craftsmanship and real market appeal. They show how simple tools, thoughtful hands, and a love for natural materials can create something timeless, inspiring, and meaningful for both the maker and the viewer. The idea of carving or shaping a solid wood bird carries an immediate sense of warmth and nostalgia. Birds have always symbolized freedom, peace, and connection to nature, and when formed from solid wood, they take on an even deeper presence. The weight of the wood, the gentle curves, and the visible grain all work together to create an object that feels alive despite its stillness. Vintage-inspired wooden birds do not rely on bright colors or complex decoration. Instead, they speak through form, texture, and simplicity. This quiet elegance is what makes them so appealing in today's world, where people are increasingly drawn to calm, grounded decor that feels authentic and lasting. The creative process begins with raw wood, often a simple block or a reclaimed piece that already carries signs of age and history. Choosing solid wood is an intentional act because it offers strength, durability, and natural beauty that cannot be imitated. As the wood is shaped, each curve is guided by instinct rather than strict measurement, allowing the bird's form to emerge naturally. This curved, flowing style gives the sculpture a sense of movement, as if the bird is resting, watching, or preparing to take flight. For viewers, watching this transformation unfold is deeply satisfying because it shows how something ordinary becomes expressive through patience and care. Accessible craftsmanship plays a central role in this journey. The beauty of handmade wooden birds lies in the fact that they do not require advanced machinery or years of training. With basic tools, steady hands, and attention to detail, even a beginner can begin exploring this form. Sanding becomes a meditative step, smoothing sharp edges and revealing the wood's natural patterns. Small imperfections are not removed entirely. They are softened and accepted, adding to the vintage charm. This approach sends a powerful message to viewers. Craftsmanship is not about perfection, but about presence and intention. The vintage aesthetic of these wooden birds adds another layer of appeal. Vintage does not mean outdated. It means timeless. Soft, natural finishes, subtle aging, and restrained design allow the piece to feel as though it belongs anywhere, whether placed on a modern shelf, a rustic table, or a cozy windowsill. This versatility is key to their market appeal. Buyers are drawn to items that feel adaptable, objects that can move with them through different spaces and stages of life. A solid wood bird fits effortlessly into this desire, offering beauty without demanding attention. As the handmade bird takes its final shape, its emotional impact becomes clear. There is something comforting about holding a smooth wooden form that was shaped by human hands. It carries a sense of care that factory-made items often lack. For many people, these small sculptures become more than decor. They become companions on a desk, shelf, or bedside table. This emotional connection is what transforms a handmade object into a sellable piece of art. People are willing to invest in items that make them feel something, and solid wood bird sculptures quietly do exactly that. From a market perspective, these creations represent a perfect balance between effort and value. They are small enough to create consistently, yet meaningful enough to stand out. Their size makes them easy to display, gift, and ship, which naturally increases their appeal to buyers. More importantly, each bird is slightly different, even when made from the same design. Variations in grain, curve, and finish ensure that no two pieces are identical. This uniqueness is a strong selling point in a world where people increasingly seek individuality over mass production. For viewers watching this process, inspiration comes not only from the finished piece, but from the journey itself. Seeing raw wood slowly become a graceful bird sculpture encourages them to imagine what they could create with their own hands. The simplicity of the form removes fear, while the elegance of the result builds confidence. This is where accessible craftsmanship truly meets market appeal. When people realize that something beautiful and desirable can be created without complexity, creativity becomes approachable rather than intimidating. The curved design of these wooden birds is especially important to their charm. Straight lines can feel rigid, but curves feel natural, organic, and calming. They echo the shapes found in nature, making the sculpture feel familiar even if someone has never seen it before. This familiarity builds instant connection. In a video format, slow camera movements around these curves highlight the softness of the design, allowing viewers to appreciate the form from every angle. This visual storytelling enhances the emotional impact and keeps the audience engaged. As the video progresses, the completed birds are shown in different settings, quietly resting in spaces that feel warm and lived in. These moments help viewers visualize the sculpture in their own homes, which is essential for inspiration and market understanding. A handmade object becomes more appealing when people can imagine it as part of their daily life. This subtle presentation teaches an important lesson. Selling art is not just about making it, but about helping others see where it belongs. The story behind each piece also adds value. Knowing that the bird was shaped by hand, from solid wood, with care and intention, makes it feel special. This story becomes part of the object itself. For creators, sharing this journey builds trust and connection with their audience. Viewers are not just watching a craft, they are witnessing a philosophy that values patience, simplicity, and respect for material. This connection often leads to long-term appreciation and support. If you are enjoying today's content and finding inspiration in this creative journey, your support truly means a lot. Please take a moment to like the video, share it with your family and friends, and leave a comment below. Your engagement helps this channel grow and allows more people to discover the beauty of handmade decor and accessible craftsmanship. Solid wood bird sculptures stand as a quiet yet powerful example of what is possible when creativity meets intention. Vintage in feel, curved in form, and handmade with care, these pieces show that art does not need to be loud to be meaningful. They represent the perfect meeting point between accessible craftsmanship and real market appeal, proving that simple ideas, when executed with heart, can inspire viewers and resonate with buyers alike. Thank you for spending this creative time here, and remember that even the simplest piece of wood can become something timeless when shaped with patience, imagination, and joy.